Lord, up to 1 crore Lord, I have paid CGST.
ಇಲ್ಲ Lamborghini ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಏನಿದು? ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇದು. ಪೆನ್ ಹತ್ ಬಿಡಿದಾರೆ ನಮ್ನ. Annexure D Lord is the registration certificate at page 19. Then Lord, Annexure E is the road tax that I have paid in the state of Karnataka.
What's the allegation?
Cheating and forgery.
The vehicle was not registered.
Where did you purchase the vehicle?
Lord, 2025 I purchased it from the dealer. He has issued invoice. I have paid CGST.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲೇ. And Lord, section 55, if there is fraud and forgery, he has to issue notice and Lord, he not come. Lord, he has come.
ಸರಿ, ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ Lamborghini ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಾ?
Lord, in all the newspapers my name is there saying that I am a tax defaulter. Not 60 lakh, they say not 37 lakhs tax default. I have paid 60 lakhs not tax.
When did you buy?
25 September 25.
22 ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತಿದೆ?
That is exactly the issue.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಗ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ
ಗ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ತೀರಾ? What was this hero officer
No, that I'll bring him tomorrow, my lord. You'll have to have it tomorrow.
Lord, he comes and takes away the car, not the police, my lord.
There is something else he explained, Lord, and I.
No, not something else. How did he, now tax is paid, it is registered by the RTO, GST is paid, all nuances of a purchase of a car is done. Who is this hero who goes and gets it from the garage?
No.
And drives it, where does he drive it?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಟೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ he takes it to ಯಲಹಂಕ police station initially. From there, Lord, now they say ರಾಮಮೂರ್ತಿ ನಗರ್ police station. Both of them, Lord, I have filed a 451 application.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಗಾಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
What is this heroism is displaying contrary to law? Notice ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ 55 ಅಲ್ಲಿ? If there is any fraud?
No, I have asked him.
But these policemen are thinking they can do anything.
ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು wing.
ಅವರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್
ಅವರೇ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
I asked him, where is the issued a notice? He said notice has to be issued by RTO. Then I said, why are you even ask RTO? So you lost
Who is this man? Let him come to
a senior motor vehicle inspector, but without initiating any action under the Motor Vehicles Act, Lord, files a complaint of cheating and forgery, and Lord, he takes the car himself. It's a luxury car, Lord. Annexure A is the FIR.
IMV na?
ಹೌದು. Senior motor vehicle inspector. Annexure B page 16. ಅವ್ರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Kindly, Lord, Annexure C.
Complainant ಯಾರು? ಅವರೇ.
Annexure C is the invoice under which I have purchased the vehicle. Lord, up to 1 crore, Lord, I have paid CGST. Lord, the cost of the vehicle is.
ಯಾವ ಕಾರ್ ಸರ್ ಇದು? Lamborghini ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಏನಿದು? ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇದು. ಪೆನ್ ಹತ್ ಬಿಡಿದಾರೆ ನಮ್ನ. Annexure D, Lord, is the registration certificate at page 19. Then Lord, Annexure E is the road tax that I have paid in the state of Karnataka.
What's the allegation?
Cheating and forgery.
ಯಾವ್ದು cheating and forgery?
Issue, my lord, this vehicle was purchased in the year 2022. Registered under temporary registration on the ground that vehicle will be registered in Andhra. Andhra. The vehicle was not registered.
Where did you purchase the vehicle?
Lord, 2025 I purchased it from the dealer. He has issued invoice. I have paid CGST.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲೇ. And Lord, section 55, if there is fraud and forgery, he has to issue notice and Lord, he not come. Lord, he has come.
ಸರಿ, ನೀವು ಬಂದು ಕಾರ್ Lamborghini ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ,
ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಟೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Complainant comes and takes the car.
No, it is.
Kindly see the photograph. ಟೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನ್ಗದ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ ಟು ಸೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್.
ಏನಿತ್ತು? ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಏನಿದೆ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಾರ್ ಟೋ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಮಲಾಡ್, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಪೇಜ್ 37 onwards, and he gives mlad press statements also, right, left and center. Not in all the newspapers my name is there saying that I am a tax defaulter. Not 60 lakh, they say mlad 37 lakhs tax default. I have paid 60 lakhs mlad tax, road tax here. Page 40.
The vehicle was not registered between 2022 to 2025. So vehicle is not registered, and there
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೆಂಪರರಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಓಡಿಸಿದಾರಾ?
That is the issue. And not only that,
not me, Lord. I have purchased it from the dealer. I have paid.
When did you buy?
25 September 25.
22 ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತಿದೆ?
That is exactly the issue, Mel.
Where did you purchase?
Lord, I have produced the invoice at page 20. Annexure C, page 18. Lavelle Road, Lord, dealer.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
Hoysala Automotives Private Limited.
One moment. Page
18, Annexure C. Lord, Hoysala Automotives Private Limited, my lord, Lavender Road is the dealer. I have purchased it from him. Kindly see, my lord, the
2
amount.
crore 3 lakhs.
Yes, my lord.
3 crore 68 lakhs.
Yes, my lord. 1 crore is the GST, my lord.
ಇದಕ್ಕ
Because, my lord,
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಗ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾನ್ ಇಲ್ದೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ
ಗ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಗ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಿಲ್ಸಿದಾಗ ನಾನ್ ಇಲ್ದೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾನ್ ಇದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೋಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಓಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬಿಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, Your Lordship may see the registration, the vehicle manufactured 2021.
No, one moment, sir. Lamborghini Hurricane Evo Coupe. This is purchase date alide. 19/20/25.
Yes, my lords. And registration date, my lord, is next page, page 19. The RC card itself. It will show manufacturing date of February 2021.
Registration date so and so, manufacturing date.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೆಳಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. February 2021. But the RTO has given this RC card. I have, next page is the road tax that I have paid. 11/9/2025, 60 lakhs.
Amala.
Lord, these are the other documents, Lord, other expenditure that I have incurred
On the car.
to service the car prior to taking the annexure F avalla. That is also,
So, it was not registered from 2021 to 25 alva. Catch hold of the dealer.
No, it's not, no, vehicle was registered, temporary registration
Where?
in Bangalore.
It was with whom?
It's supposed to be
With
transport.
whom?
No, that
It
one,
was with whom for 4 years?
no, that's exactly, my lord, that now the issue is that they have to, they could not, what they have done at the time of registration in 2025, I've anyway sought for records, is that they deleted the temporary registration itself. They could not have registered the vehicle, RTO.
RTO.
Yes,
Correct?
RTO. So they could not have registered because if the temporary registration was existent since 2022 to 2025, they would have levied penalty. To evade penalty
To whom?
to the person who is buying now or person who is selling. One of these people has to pay the penalty. To evade that, they have deleted the temporary registration. So may I request my lordship have it tomorrow top of the list.
No, sir.
Alala, I'll the only issue, my lord, according to me, my lord.
And what was this hero officer
No,
doing?
that I'll bring him tomorrow, my lord. Your lordship have it tomorrow.
Lord, he
10:30.
comes and takes away the car, not the police, my lord.
No, there is something else he explained, my lord, and I
No,
only.
not something else. How did he, now tax is paid, it is registered by the RTO, GST is paid, all nuances of a purchase of a car is done. Who is this hero who goes and gets it from the garage?
No.
And drives it, where does he drive it?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಟೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ he takes it to Yelahanka police station initially. From there, my lord, now they say Ramurthy Nagar police station. Both of them, my lord, I have filed a 451 application.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಗಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಈಗ?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Not 10:30, my lord, tomorrow.
Tomorrow 10:30, where is the vehicle? It should be there.
Yes.
And ask that hero to come to the court.
I'll ask.
What is this heroism is displaying contrary to law? Notice ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ 55 ಅಲ್ಲಿ, if there is any fraud?
No, I have asked him.
What these policemen are thinking they can do anything?
ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲ.
RTO.
ಇವ್ರು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು wing.
ಅವರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್
ಅವರೇ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
I asked him, where is we issued a notice. He said notice has to be issued by RTO. Then I said, why are you even ask RTO? So your lordship
Who is
have it
this
tomorrow.
man? Let him come to the
I'll ask
court.
him to come tomorrow morning.
Who is this man?
R2.
Ranjit.
The second respondent shall be present before the court at, second respondent complainant shall be present before the court at 10:30 AM. Yes, ನಾಳೆ ಕೊಡು order. Yes. And the learned additional SPP to secure instructions as to where the car of the petitioner is now parked. ಏನೋ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. I will definitely pull it out from his pocket.
Correct.
If he is acting contrary to law.
No,
These
in fact-
people cannot think they are above the law.
In fact, we're reading 65 together, my lord. 65 says that notice has to be served by register post.
Yes. ಸೀದಾ ಗರಾಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಟೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರೋದು, ಗರಾಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಟೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ. So what power does he have? What power the RTO has to enter into someone's house in the garage and pull the vehicle out? Crime register ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ trespass ಗೆ.
I have instructed, already instructed.
You register house trespass crime. ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವಾಗ will take care. Yes. Or what does he think of himself? Today, tomorrow, they will go anywhere.
You're probably smiling, my lord, because we are at the hands of this court, but generally, my lord, if it's scary, my lord, if this kinds of.
No, that's what, it is not, they can't behave like it's their personal fiefdom, sir. They are above, they are to contours of law, they are supposed to find RTO. He's entering somebody's house and taking away the car. Where is the power? ಇದ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ.
Lighter note, no, the High Court has passed an order.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್?
Judge name.
ಹಾ.
They are on friend.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ. We'll see, we'll ask. Tomorrow we'll grant. And I want, where is the car today? Yes. And any damage will be from that man's pocket. 5 ವರ್ಷದ ಸಂಬಳ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬೋರ್ಗಿನಿ ರಿಪೇರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. Yes.
RTO ಅಲ್ವಾ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
RTO ಪರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
I only want to safeguard my own car if I get it. Great.
ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. Yes.
I appear for petitioner in this matter, Your Lordship. The charge sheet is registered for the crime 506 and 504, Your Lordship.
504, 506.
Actually, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 403, 406, 420 ಎಲ್ಲ
ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರ ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವಾಗ 504, 506 ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರು?
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
We have instituted
On 7/1/2026, this court passed the following order. There was no representation on behalf of the respondent complainant. The matter was directed to be listed on 28/1/2026. The matter is listed today. Even today, there is no representation on behalf of the complainant. Therefore, as a last chance, list this matter on 18th. In the event there would be no representation, appropriate orders would be passed on hearing the counsel appearing to the petitioner. Interim order stands section. Not Saruda. Saruda?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್,
Counsel ilva? Oh, sorry. Yes, ಹೇಳಿ madam. The petitioners are before this court calling in question proceedings in CC
327 of 24.
CC 327 of 2024 registered for offences punishable under section 504 and 506 of the IPC. The petitioners are accused 1 to 8. The second respondent, the complainant, a trustee and secretary of Anjuman Al Arfat Education Trust. The petitioners are said to be office bearers are said to be the erstwhile the office bearers of the said trust. A complaint comes to be registered against these petitioners a private complaint comes to be registered against these petitioners invoking section 200 of the CRPC on 11/4/2023 for the offences punishable under page 20 al mark madideni. So and so the learned magistrate refers the matter for investigation, and which becomes a crime in crime number 201 of 2023. The police conduct investigation and file a charge sheet not for the aforesaid glorified offences, but for offences punishable under section 504 and 506 of the IPC. The filing of the charge sheet is what has driven these petitioners to this court in the subject petition. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner would vehemently contend that none of the allegations that are alleged against these petitioners, even in the crime stage, had no ingredients of those allegations. The learned counsel would seek to project that the accused number 1 had has instituted a civil suit in OS 576 of 2023 against the complainant seeking permanent injunction. And once the notice was served in the said suit, the complaint registers the subject complaint. Therefore, it was an act of wreaking vengeance against these petitioners for having registered the civil suit in which notice was issued.